Greatness to me is the realization of potential.
You know, Texas just has a different mindset. We have a very can-do mindset here.
There's a number of synergies between Texas and Nasdaq. Nasdaq was born on competition. Nasdaq focuses on breaking molds, about doing things different. And it all comes down to thinking about how you have to have the grit, you have to have the determination, you have to have that can-do attitude. And when I come down to Texas, that was what screams at me in the face, a can-do attitude.
Texas has always been really kind of the heart of the global energy world. It's where a lot of the innovation and technology comes from. Today we're out in Midland, Texas, which is the heart of the Permian Basin, where we drill for oil and gas here in the U.S. Most people probably don't realize, but half of the U.S. oil production comes from the Permian Basin, and it's a big part of the energy security for the United States.
When I think about potential as it pertains to this area in this state, we have all the geography, we have the desert, the mountains, the plains, the forests. We have all the natural resources above and below ground to do, basically anything we need to do, especially as it pertains to modern technologies. And we have a government and communities that are willing to support the unlocking of that potential so that we can, in turn, achieve greatness.
Our business was born, about 100 miles east of here. Our business will continue to thrive here in Texas. We don't see this changing. We see the environment increasing in our business side, in our sector of the completions world, and we'll continue building those facilities and growing those facilities here in Texas.
Texas has a very supportive regulatory environment where they want businesses to grow and they encourage it. And that not only happens at the state level, but also at the local level. And I think, that feeds through the culture of our industry and our company in particular, of that, stay humble, stay hungry, keep growing culture that has defined our success. I'm not a Texas native. I got here as fast as I could. I was born in California and lived in New York, and couldn't get down to Midland soon enough. And just in general, that grit and determination is seen everywhere in the community, and it's cultural. And I think most importantly, being based in Midland and producing oil in Midland, we have line of sight to everything that goes on out here. We all know each other. We're all rowing the same direction. And, it's a very, very unique culture out here that, deals with the highs and the lows, but at the end of the day continues to grow.
Nasdaq is here because Texas is really important to us. The growth of the U.S. economy is really important to us. And when we look at that growth, we know that a lot of that is coming from Texas. And we think about Texas, we think about where that growth is being powered, and that growth is being powered right here in the Permian Basin with companies that are some of the most innovative and game-changing companies in the world. So we're really proud to be here celebrating this with the rest of the people in Midland. Nasdaq is the home of innovation. It's the home of smart regulation. We fight on behalf of companies to help them grow and help them be better public companies. It's amazing to me because that's really the spirit of Texas as well, right? Like, Texans want to grow. They want to do business in an environment that is conducive for the growth of their business. And Nasdaq's been doing that alongside of Texans every step of the way. It's just an amazing partnership that we have at Nasdaq with Texans to be able to be a part of the growth of this economy.
I think Nasdaq's perspective across global business can heavily inform Texas' path forward.
It's important to have Nasdaq's global reach. It's a deep market. And, as our companies need capital over the next decade, you're going to need partners like the Nasdaq to facilitate that and facilitate the trading volumes and all the other aspects of a public company life that are critical to success in that growing environment.
There's a lot of opportunity here in West Texas, and unlocking that opportunity can help fuel almost the entire world. We're happy to have Nasdaq in town, helping us with that conversation and helping us make these conversations to accomplish exactly that.